Hello?
Hello?
Is this the LG?
Roger?
Is this the LG?
Yes, sir.
Hello, I need to, need to speak to the microwave.
Yes, sir. We had microwave.
Hello, I bought the microwave and I put hello?
Hello?
Fucking hell, man. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna call.
Call back and be like, hello, I'm so sorry.
Okay, let me call again.
Wow, hung up on me today.
Okay, I'll call again. Okay.
Good afternoon, Sophie.
The hello?
Hello?
Sorry, the very bad connection.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Darang Hanon here.
So how can I help you, sir?
Hi, I tell you the microwave.
Yes, sir. We have microwave.
Hello, I'm very disappointed. Because I bought the microwave the other day. I bought the microwave and I put my cat in the microwave.
Is there any problem in microwave, sir? Hello?
Hello?
Sir, what's the problem, sir?
Hello? Hello? I put my cat in the microwave, and it's not breathing very well. Hello? Hello? Huh?
Sir, then I will give you the number. Please note the number 2003799.
Sorry?
2003799.
The 1 minute, please. It is the 200.
3799.
The 200, the 3799.
Yes. You have to call here and the technician come to your home and then check it out. What's the problem there in your microwave?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, goodbye. Sorry.
Number, yes, that's how. This number.
Oh, fucking hell, man. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello. My name is Huan Li.
Hello?
Hello. My name is Han Huan Li.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. My name is Han Huan Li.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah?
Hello. My name is Han Huan Li.
Excuse me, I didn't get it properly.
Hello. I am from the Beijing. Do you speak Chinese? Hello. Like somebody. Hello. 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 My name is Han Huan Li.
Sorry?
Hello. Do you speak Chinese?
I don't understand.
Do you speak Chinese? Hello.
Yes.
Do you speak the Chinese? Hello. Hello. Why are you being so racist? Hello. You talk to me, please.
Yeah.
Like somebody. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, I'm the very first person here. fucking for me.
Good afternoon, Sabi.
Hello, the technician is being very rude.
Sorry?
The technician is being very rude.
Technician?
Yeah, he's being very rude. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm the very frustration because the my microwave is the I put my cat in the microwave.
Your cat? You want the service rated number, right?
Excuse me?
You want the service rated number?
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you the number. Can you please write down?
Hello, but I call the technician. You give me the number. And the technician, he does not understand me.
He don't understand you.
He not understand me.
Okay. Where is your location?
Excuse me.
Where is your location? Where do you live? I mean.
Excuse me.
Where do you live? Where do you stay? Right
Oh,
now,
I leave tomorrow.
No, I mean where you are right now.
Excuse me. Right now, I'm in my car and I go to the I go to my hotel because tomorrow I leave for the Beijing.
Okay, right now where are you? Which hotel you are?
Hello.
You have anybody there nearby? Any Nepalese guy?
Hello. No, I'm in my car. Hello. I live in the Tamil and the Krishna guest house.
Krishna guest house?
Yeah, in the Tamil.
In the Tamil.
In the Tamil, yes. And I put my cat in the microwave and is not breathing very good.
Okay, you want to make cake?
Sorry?
You want to make cake?
No, my cat, the meow meow.
Your cat
My cat, I put my cat in the microwave and he's not breathing very well. And I put the instruction. It doesn't say anything about putting the cat. So I thought it was the good thing. And I put the someday I hand on her.
You have anybody there in can you please go to down the stair and
yeah, I have my
any hotel staff.
I have my grandmother. She's next to me.
Sorry?
My grandmother, the next to me.
Your grandmother is next to you.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to make something in microphone and it's stop, right?
No. The shit. I put my cat in the microwave and they're not breathing very well. I put him the only 2 minutes, but they're not.
Okay, give me your contact number.
Excuse me.
Give me your mobile number.
I give you the 985 the 9
98
the 98510
98510
527.
Sorry?
Excuse me. 25
98510 and
52
52
7
7
25.
25.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Hang Kwang Valley.
Okay. You are staying in Tamil, right?
The yes.
Tamil Krishna guest house.
Yes.
Krishna? Yes, it is.
The Krishna, the God.
Krishna guest house. Which floor?
Excuse me.
Which floor?
The second floor.
Second floor?
The second floor.
Second floor. What is the room number?
No, 17.
17.
Yes.
Okay, I will explain my technician, and I'll try to send him as soon as possible. Okay?
Excuse me. But my cat is very ill.
You put my cat inside the microwave? Or what you did? I don't understand what you mean. What you are complaining?
Excuse me, I have the very bad cold.
You put cat inside the microwave, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will call my technician right away. Okay?
Okay, but I'm very sad.
Don't worry, I will try to send my technician as soon as possible.
I don't know, I like him very much. Hello?
Hello?
Excuse me, I like him very much. My cat, he died. Okay, you please come very fast.
Okay, I will tell my
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, goodbye, ni hao ma. Okay, bye.